I'm going to push out the Backup Exec agent for Backup Exec version 21 to another server. So we see one server is in there already, and that's the server where I installed Backup Exec. So if I want to install this on other servers, I'll have to push out the agent, and then I can start backing up those servers as well. I'll click on Add, which shows Add Servers when you hover over it, in the Backup and Restore tab at the top, and choose Microsoft Windows Computers and Servers. And I want to establish trust. If you don't establish trust, then it's most likely going to fail trying to add the agent. I'm going to put in the name of the server. I've got a domain controller called DC1 I'd like to add. And under the account, I'm going to choose a new logon account. Now, if you already see the account that you want to use, you could choose that. But if you've never typed it in before, you'll want to do that now. So you need to put in the domain name, NetBIOS name. So my full domain name is techpub.us. So I'll just put in the NetBIOS name of just techpub. You don't need the dot and the domain at the end. So put in techpub and then the domain administrator name and then the password. And then confirm that password. And click OK. And now continue. So if the server already has a backup agent on it, then you can choose to upgrade it. And if it does upgrade, you'll need to restart as well. I know that this server does not have that on that, so I can just leave that off and click Install. Now, there's several processes that are going to go on during this entire installation. First one is going to be the pre-processing, then it's going to do the installation, and then it's going to do the cleanup. And you can do multiple servers on here as well. You don't have to do just one at a time. You would simply just keep adding more servers in the previous box and making sure you have the correct username and password for them, and then continue on. It's gone from the pre-processing to the installation of the components. Now it's installing the C++ portion, which is going to be required for the installation to happen, and it uses Microsoft Visual C++ 2008 redistributable package. And that's included in the installation, so you do not have to go and download that. And now it's doing the cleanup, where it's removing the backup files to save space, and then it should finish up. And it was successful. Click Finish. And now I see DC1 is listed as a server in my list of servers. Now at this point it says that it's never been backed up. However, it has established communication as we've gotten past that point. And now I can simply right-click and choose Backup, Backup to Disk, and start the backup process. Now I've covered backing up a server in Backup Exec 21 in the playlist, so go ahead and check that out, and you can see all the different options and what they mean. So that's how you push out an agent to a new server in Backup Exec 21.